Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. We return again in new video. This video is so important for people who want to make their laptop or PC safe in easy ways and in easy steps. Amen. English with Amen. So basically without start and we don't without going further ado, I'm gonna ask you for subscribe and follow because it is so important for me, to show some love and show some support. First of all, this is the file is here. When we click on the file, we see some documents here. Okay, let's get out. And now the steps is easy. We go here and click on the left on the mouse, one click. Okay, and we go to archive. Okay, and we rename this file in. Okay, and we go here, set password. I will put here, and I will put, to make sure it is the same, we show the password here. We say it is in 1995. Of course, if we leave this like this, someone when he came, he will see the password, what is it. So I will not make this, and I will put this encrypted file names. Okay, I select okay and okay, and we go here. Okay, we delete this. Okay, we go here. This is my file. Okay, I drag it here. Okay, now how to see what's inside. The first of all, when you click, we see the password, like here. You see the file. Okay, or there is, this is my file, or there is a second option, and I go extract here, of course, and I put the password and I click OK. Now you see my file is here. This is the easy way and the easy step for this, like you see here. And we delete this, or we keep it in some section of PC, or we delete it. I don't know, I will delete it. I will delete it. Okay, it is easy way. Now this is my official file. I hope you did enjoy. Before this, I will say please subscribe and put a comment to support us more, and thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. And for advice, the last one, please keep your files safe because we are in the age of everything possible. They will take it. I don't know. Just be safe and take care, and goodbye.